Okay, now the solution. Before I do anything, I want to just take you back to see the condition. Can I see the condition? Where B is an odd number. That's going to be a very important thing to take note of. Okay, so let's continue. Now the first thing we need to do here is to find the LCM. Okay, so we are going to find the LCM. The LCM is AB, so that this is going to be B then plus 4A. Now I have B plus 4A all over AB is equals to 1 over 12. Then I cross multiply so that I'm going to have AB will be equals to 12 into B plus 4A. Now AB will be equals to 12B then plus 48A. Now I will now shift my values to the left hand side so that I'm going to have AB, okay, then minus 12B minus 48A is equals to 0. Now you see, we have two unknowns and just an equation. What can I do? I think I should just factorize. Now let me factorize. This is the only one that I can factorize for now. This is the only one that I can factorize. So let me factorize it. I know I'm going to have my B out so that I'm going to have A minus 12. Then I have my minus 48A is equals to 0. Now this is where it gets dicey. So what can I do? You just think it through. You see, it would have been a lot easier if I have A minus 12 around this side, okay, so that I can factorize A minus 12 out. So what will I do? Let me see. Okay, no, I know what to do now. Just watch. Why not let's have B into A minus 12, then minus 48A. Then I'm going to have, why not let me put in plus, watch, plus 12 times 48. Then at the same time, I'll subtract 12 times 48 is equals to 0. You agree with me? I didn't change anything. Everything is okay. It's intact. Okay, why I did this is because I want to factorize things out. So that I have B into A minus 12. Okay. Then instead of what I'm going to have here, I'll factorize minus 48 outside. If I factorize minus 48 outside, I'm going to have A minus 12. Then minus, I have 12 times 48 is equals to 0. Okay? Now, this can be written as B into A minus 12. Then minus 48 into A minus 12. Then is equals to 12 times 48. Wow. Everything is moving fine. So, I can now factorize. I have A minus 12. You have it in bracket. Then into B minus 48. I factorize further. Is equals to 12 times 48. Now recall, we have a condition that B is an odd number. Okay, if B is an odd number, there is something that I can do to get B. I have to get the factors of 12. Okay, that is the prime factors of 12, which of course they will be odd. So we have the prime factors of 12 will be 2 times 2 times 3. Then what about for 48? 48 will be 2 times 2 times another 2, then times 3, then okay, I think that is all. Okay, 2 times 2, then I think another times 2. Okay, well, it is 48. Now, since I have this is what I would do. I would say, okay, what can I do? I know that 12 times 48 is equals to 576. How can I get odd numbers that is going to multiply any of those factors combined so that I will get 576? The first is if I have 1 times 576. My answer is what? 576, which is the same thing as 12 times 48. Do not have any problem with that. Then which other odd numbers do we have among the factors of both 12 and 48? I have 3. So 3 times what gives us 576? I think it's going to be 3 times 192. That will give me 576. Then, okay, now I can combine 3 and 3. If I multiply, it's going to be 9. So I know 9 too is qualified. So 9 times what? I think 9 times 64 will give me 576. Okay, so it therefore means that I have all the odd numbers, okay, among the factors of 12 and 48 combined that we multiply, okay, to give, that will multiply some other factors within to give me 576. So I will now come down and have my work as a minus 12, right? Yes, good. A minus 12 into b minus 48 will now be equals to either 1 times 576 or 3 times 192 or 9 times 64. Now, recall that we said b is an odd number. Now, once we have an odd number, as far as b is an odd number and it is minus 48, which 48 is an even number, then I must have an odd number at the end of the day. Okay, that is just the trick. So therefore, it means that if we pick this, you know, they are in twos. If we pick this, then it means if minus b minus 48, if it is equals to 1, then at the same time, it will go with a minus 12 to be equals to 576. That's the first possibility, or that's the first scenario. Then the second one is if I have b minus 48 to be equals to 3, which is an odd number, then it means that a minus 12 must be equals to 192. Then the third case is if I have b minus 48, of course, is equals to 9, then I'm going to have a minus 12 definitely must be equals to 64. If you check, these are the pairs, okay? The pairs, we have these, and these. So therefore, having this from this one, we know that b minus 48 is equals to 1. It implies that the last one, a minus 12 is equals to 64, implies that a will be equals to 76. So you can see we have our b's and we have our a's. Now combining it in form of a comma b, what I'm going to have is the first one will be 588 comma 49. Then the second one will be 204 comma 51. Then the last one will be 76 comma 57. So these are our values for which this particular question or expression will be correct. So thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe for more interesting videos.